I think one of the things most people don't know about Trollhättan is that there's actually a famous moose here that is always trying to catch fish. I think he's the only moose in the whole world trying to catch fish, and I managed to get him on the video. Ready for the walk?
I'm super ready for the walk.
Yes.
It's like so nice weather today. I'm going to check this place out.
Oh yeah. So we're walking here next to the river, just behind the power plant. As you can see, we're not the only ones making a walk today. So I think here behind me is the second power plant. I think it's a little older one. This is the one they used to have before. So I think actually this used to be a railway lift. You have the lift there, and then they used to be able to put some kind of wagons down here on these tracks, then through a circle on here up to there, and then again a turning circle, and then into the power plant. That's pretty impressive.
I honestly think this is a really cool place. I mean, look at this.
Yeah, you think it's a nice place?
Yeah, it's interesting. It's interesting, this history. So
it's definitely like cool that in the early 1900s they were able to build these kind of things.
Yeah, lifting.
So here it basically says indeed that they hoisted down wagons in order to bring the transport materials to build the power plant.
When you moved out, your mother said, give love, you get love in return. If you only knew you had so many bridges left to burn. You put your trust in all that wealth. You measure all in what you own. You don't worry about your health, but you do fear being left alone. You may double your guards, no one really knows about your house of cards that the wind blows. By your side, side. And it's time to set it straight. No more talk about your fast life. If you want it, then you have to wait. I see your every flaw. I see your home made out of straw while the wind blows. A secret well kept, but everyone knows. You try to keep it so still, but the wind blows.
The sluicer back there, they are only the old sluicer, and apparently they built new ones a little bit further. So now we're going to the new ones and we're gonna check them out, because the old ones are not in use anymore. Okay, these locks are definitely bigger than the old ones. You can see they're quite commercial, and they must fit pretty big boats here, if you see.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot.
So just arrived 2 boats. So let's take a look how this works in action. That was scary.
No mistake, ever kept me
Like what?
We spent summers catching fireflies and winters on our skates. One big smile across my face.
Water's actually rising.
Oh yeah, the water's rising really fast now actually.
Take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot.
Man måste kunna lyfta dem med armen liksom. Så då kan man trampa runt här. Man lyfter båda foten och armen liksom. Ja.
You can see everybody's having fun.
It was not only one time thing.
No, you can do it now.
Now.
You can do it.
Oh, I can feel really tall now. It feels good. It's
Yeah.
difficult to walk, I think, when you're tall.
Yeah, that's what I have every day. You see the way you walk now, that I have every day. We always said that Luck is on pension now, so I guess this is the pension behavior you can expect the rest of the videos. Her rolling in the grass, her swimming in the water, that's basically what her life is all about. Playing with sticks. We just spotted a deer. And the camera battery is almost empty, so I have to see if we can still make it. But the deer is walking there. And there she goes.
Under the palm trees in the California sun, sand underneath our feet, the morning's just begun. I don't remember much from the night before, just from that human touch, and now I want more. And now my memory slowly coming back, cracks a smile upon my face, but then it all turns black. Something about tonight, now it's gonna be your last. And now my mind is a mess, my heart is pounding fast. Oh, I wish that you could stay. I don't care about the other one, I don't care about what you done. Oh, I wish that you could stay. I don't know how it's gonna be, but it's gonna be you and me. From the look in your eyes, you need to get away, but I'll make you promise me that you'll come back someday. So let's make the most of it. I remember what you said. Up in the Ferris wheel, we're kissing in the shades. Oh, I wish that you could stay. I don't care about the other ones, I don't care about what you done. Oh, I wish that you could stay. I don't know how it's gonna be,
Border crossing ahead.
but it's gonna be.
Yeah, we're going to Norway. we'll see if we get in, but it should be fine. We're fully vaccinated and 7 days has passed, and that's the limit of when you want to enter Norway. So we had to drive quite a bit because a lot of border crossings are closed, but this one is supposed to be open, and I do think so because we've seen lots of Norwegian cars passing.
Yeah.
So we'll have to see how it goes. So I guess we'll see you on the other side. See you on the other side.
We'll see how it goes.
Lucky's already excited.
Lucky, you ready?
So
Let's see if Norway just lets you in. Yeah? We should see if they let you in also.
yeah.
I don't know how it's gonna be, but it's gonna be you and me. Always be a good stay.
Oh my god! She jumped in the heart! She's literally on top of Jackie.
Okay.
After the van life, I would love to go and try this. This is so awesome. I've never been on a boat like that.
But you're afraid of water.